Alright everyone, so welcome back to another video, and this is my final update slash charge test video for the CMF Watch Pro by Nothing, right? So y'all can see here, let me show you, the watch is almost down to 5%, so we're going to initiate the final charge. So let me give y'all the stats. We're not going to make this video too long. So I took this off the charger Sunday morning. It is now Monday afternoon. So this last initial charge lasted me roughly 8 days. Yeah, Sunday to Sunday is 7. Sunday to Monday would be 8. So I have this watch set up exactly the way I like to use it. All right. So during the day, I have Raise to Wake turned on. Okay. Then I have all of my notifications, phone calls, and all of those things pushing. At night, when I go to bed, I turn Raise to Wake off. Right. So at that point, it only turns on if I push the crown power button. But that's how I have it set up. And I pretty much got 8 days on this charge, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it drop to 5%. I'm going to throw it on the charger again. As I've been doing in these update slash charge videos, I'm going to throw up in post how long it took the watch to charge from 5% to 100%, right? But that being said, that does it for this last one. After this, I'm going to go ahead and record the full review and come out with all of my opinions, do a deep dive, in-depth review on the watch, and let y'all know if it's worth it. So y'all be on the lookout for that coming soon. If this video drops today, which is Monday, I believe it's Monday the 18th, yeah, the full review will probably come out on Tuesday the 19th, meaning I was actually able to get this review out in the exact 30-day time frame. All right. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video, as quick as I can make it anyway. Y'all know what to do if y'all did enjoy the video. Everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right. Yes, I can say consistently with my style of usage, it's going to get me about 7 to 8 days of battery life, which is good. Good. I would like it to be better, but for what it is, it's pretty good. All right. Have a good one, everybody. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. We're out of here. Peace.